Dr. Muhammad Kabir. I am working as an assistant professor and in charge at Department of Biological Sciences, University of Sargodha, Sub-Campus Bakhar, Punjab, Pakistan. First of all, I pay my thanks to the organizing committee of the UI Green Matrix World University Ranking and Zanjan University, Iran, who gave me a chance to present in the 6th International Workshop on Green Matrix World University Ranking 2020. The topic of my presentation is current scenario of environmental pollution and its solution by plantation in changing climate. As we know that environment is consists of the three major components, that is air, water and soil, and all these components of the environment are destroying or deteriorating due to the man-made activity. So the problem in my presentation is the pollution and its solution is the plantation. So I have a request to all the humanity all over the world that be a part of the solution, not pollution. Presentation layout is the importance of the tree, pollution and polluted, environmental pollution types and environmental calendar, tree plantation campaign, then solution, conclusions and recommendation, and then the list of the publications in 2020 and research productivity award certificate. According to the Muscosol, a tree that lives for 50 years generates a $US worth of the oxygen, recycle a huge quantity of the soil fertility, facilitate $US worth of the soil erosion control, creates a air pollution control, and provides a huge quantity of the $US worth for the insect, birds, and the mammal. Besides, it provides flower, fruit, and the seed. Our net loss is worth more than $US when one tree is affected by environmental pollution. So, a humble request from all humanity is that think before you cut a tree. Environmental pollution flyer says that if you are lost, look for smoke. Where there is smoke, there is a city. It means that this problem is on large scale in the mega cities, even in the developing countries, and also existing in the less developed or the developing countries. So what is the pollution and pollutant? The undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of the air, water and soil that may harmfully affect the living organism or living thing is known as the pollution. And what are the pollutants? The substance which cause the pollution are known as the pollutant, or simply we can say that residue of thing we make, use and throw away. Then there are different types of the pollution, that is the air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, chemical pollution. What is the issue? The issue for the pollution is that we use the resources extensively and then are not responsible for the consequences. In the environmental calendars, you can see that there are different events which we should celebrate on the international level, and all countries, all human beings which have their existence on the surface of the earth, they should celebrate all these events if we want to keep our environment clean and green. But we are not doing so. We are not familiar with the environmental events. That is, the World Environmental Day is celebrated on the 5th June. That is World Habitat Day on the 3rd October, International Day for Natural Disaster on the 13th October, and World Day for the Water on the 22nd March, and then International Plantation Day on the 18th August. But these events of the environmental calendar are not celebrated internationally, due to which we are not doing best for our environment. The next slide is concerned with the water treatment plant. As we know that the huge quantity of industries are being established on the surface of the earth in order to fulfill the human requirement. These industries are beneficial up to some extent, but on the other hand, they are also having their deteriorating effects on the environment. So different types of the pollutants which are being released from the industries, they are badly affecting to the environmental component, air, water and the soil. From the industries, different types of the waste are dumped outside the industrial wall, and then they are undergo into the burning process. Due to the burning, a large quantity of the pollutants are also releasing into the air, water and the soil. So we should dump the industrial waste and not into a specific area and not burn them, because burning is also a type of the pollution. Then water and the soil pollution are affecting to the local resident as well as to the plants. And then different industrial pollutants are also spread into the environment without any proper recycling. They have a large lasting effects on the environment. Then burning of the vegetables, burning of the plants, deforestation, cutting of the trees, all these activities which are being done by the human on the surface of earth, they are also responsible for the different types of the pollutant. So the solution for pollution, as plant has the natural lungs, so the request is that plant a tree and get oxygen for free, and plants are the natural purifiers of our environment. It is our duty to save the environment's beauty. Let us go green to get our globe clean. So green revolution is the best solution to arrest the pollution. In the next slide, you can see that plantations activity in University of Sargodha, sub-campus Bakhar, Punjab, Pakistan are on a large scale, due to which the university environment is very clean and green. But outside the university, as there are transportation activity, there is less number of the plants along the roadside, and some other human activities, they are creating a large quantity of different types of the pollutant. So human cannot be stopped regarding to its activity, but some extra activities regarding to the plantation should also be aim of the human if we want to create a clean and green environment for our upcoming generation. In the next slide, plantation activity in UOS are on the large scale from the faculty side, from the student side. Even our worthy director is also planting the trees within the campus premises. Students are carrying out different types of the activities, different types of the slogans, different types of the walks and talks regarding to the plantations activity in the not only in the campus but in a specific area in which they are residing. In the next slide, you can see that our Pakistan Army is also taking a part in the plantations activity in collaboration with our district administration. Our Deputy Commissioner Captain Muqas Rashid also show keen interest in the plantations activity in collaboration with the university student as well as with the community. In the next slide, you can see that the industrial pollutants are attacking on the environmental balance, and due to this, the large quantity of the greenery is affected by the industrial activity. And along in the next picture, you can see that without the plantation, there is a huge increase in the temperature, and in the planted area, there is a reductions in the temperature up to the some extent. It means that if we will plant a tree, we will not suffer the heat shock with the increasing temperature, glacier melting, because all these activities are carrying out on the surface of Earth due to the increase in the temperature, and this increase in temperature is mainly resulting due to the carbon dioxide increasing concentration from the different industries, from the transportation and some other human activity. Even deforestation is also mainly responsible for the increase of carbon dioxide into the environment. So the conclusion is that if haphazard population growth and constructions of the new industrial structure goes on without realizing the importance of the tree, then there would be more environmental changes in near future. These environmental changes will harmfully affect the living organism. So, as I requested already, for the recommendations, be a part of the solution, not a pollution. So I have a humble request to all the listener, to all the presenter in this workshops, that each one must plant one and join the green revolution, stop the pollution. And this slides show the list of the publication. My name is Dr. Muhammad Kabir. I am working as an assistant professor and in charge at Department of Biological Sciences, University of Sargodha, Sub-Campus Bakhar, Punjab, Pakistan. First of all, I pay my thanks to the organizing committee of the UI Green Matrix World University Ranking and Zanjan University, Iran, who gave me a chance to present in the 6th International Workshop on Green Matrix World University Ranking 2020. The topic of my presentation is current scenario of environmental pollution and its solution by plantation in changing climate. As we know that environment is consists on the three major components, that is air, water and soil, and all these components of the environment are destroying or deteriorating due to the man-made activity. So the problem in my presentation is the pollution and its solution is the plantation.